Step 1. Let's start by inserting the panel brace B into side panels A. Step 2. Next, we are going to attach both panel extensions D onto the side panels. Choose the look you want, treads curved in or treads curved out. For our steps, we will have the treads curved out. Step 3. With the thin edge of the curved riser C facing down, we'll insert the lower tabs into the side panel. Step 4. Make sure the top tabs are aligned, then tap down until flush. Step 5. Now we will install the rest of the curve risers. Step 6. Tilt the step backwards. If your swimming pool has a flat bottom, all 4 foot pads will be installed with H1 facing in towards the side panel. If your pool has a slight taper towards the center, the back foot pads will be installed with H1 facing in. The front foot pads will be installed with H2 facing in towards the side panel. Step 8. A little liquid soap on the tabs will allow the foot pads to go on easier. I will install the back foot pads first with H1 facing in towards the side panels. It may take several hits. Step 9. We have a flat bottom pool, so I will install the front foot pads the same as the back foot pads with H1 facing in towards the side panels. If our pool was tapered towards the center, I would have installed the front foot pads with H2 facing inward. Step 10. Each side panel requires 20 pounds of sand. We will start by filling the bottom opening all the way to the top and cap. Put the remaining sand in the upper opening. Repeat the second side panel. Do not cap the upper openings, they must remain open. Step 11. Place the first tread I over the tabs, then tap inward. Install the next 2 treads the same way. Step 12. The 4th tread installs a little different. Place the tread over the 4 tabs and tap down until seated. Step 13. To install the lower handrail posts K, first locate the openings on the side panel marked with the number 4 next to them. Insert the handrail post, then tap down until seated. Step 14. Install the upper handrail posts into the openings marked with the number 4 next to them. Step 15. Slide both deck connectors F over the handrail posts. Step 16. Place both handrails G over the handrail posts, then tap down. To place your steps in the pool, please refer to steps 17 and 18 in the instructions. Thank you for choosing the Confer Curve step. We hope you have many years of enjoyment with our American-made products.